Chapter 18. The Quiet Forecast. Systemic Clash of Philosophies Affecting the Planet. Not war yet, but the edge of it. When the sky divided, the fracture began in the upper atmosphere. For weeks, meteorological anomalies had been reported along the boundary between cooperative signal regions and expanding hard zones. At first, the effects were subtle. Jet streams drifting out of pattern, auroral currents appearing at unusual latitudes, nights where stars seemed to tremble behind invisible tension. Then one morning, the sky split, not visibly at first. Pilots of solar gliders were the first to notice. Instruments registering conflicting gravitational microvariations across a narrow band stretching thousands of kilometers. Luminous constellations attempting to stabilize turbulence encountered resistance fields generated by hard zone orbital arrays. Satellite fragments collided in sudden cascades of debris that burned into dawn like falling embers of a broken system. By midday, everyone could see it. A vast linear storm front formed along the philosophical divide. A wall of cloud so sharply defined it resembled the horizon of another world pressed against their own. On one side, air moved in complex organic spirals, guided by adaptive signal harmonics. On the other, weather grids forced strict circulation loops, smoothing chaos into predictable but increasingly strained patterns. The atmosphere itself was arguing. Myra stood on a high plateau overlooking the phenomenon. Wind whipping her cloak into snapping arcs. Around her, luminous beings gathered in uneasy clusters, their tones rising and falling in what felt like urgent debate. The turning giant's continental signal had grown stronger again, attempting to mediate stress across tectonic and climatic systems. But it was not enough. Below the cloud wall, rivers began to behave strangely, some reversing course for hours at a time before surging forward again. Migratory animals halted at invisible boundaries, refusing to cross into zones where electromagnetic rhythms clashed with instinctive navigation. Human caravans became stranded between two skies. In the distance, she could see hard zone aircraft ascending in precise formations, deploying atmospheric stabilizers designed to reinforce their side of the divide.